Stop searching for random DLLs. If you see the MRT100 app DLL error, I have the verified Windows level solution. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's begin. To begin the walkthrough for MRT100 app, you can choose the manual path or use a resource designed for environment stability. This is the MRT100 app, the .NET Native Runtime module for store apps. It manages unmanaged garbage collection and execution logic, facilitating the data link for UWP application execution manifests. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. The fastest way to fix this is to reinstall Windows OS Core. Head to Microsoft, download the x86 and x64 Visual C++ redistributable installers, and run them. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the MRT100 app file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. From a diagnostic standpoint, a missing MRT100 app DLL error is often just a symptom of a larger system conflict that a simple manual download is incapable of fully resolving. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. A structured registry approach is outlined in the software linked below, including MRT100 app management references. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve MRT100 app dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.